Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, I'm here with the birthday girl. So this is the start of our Nashville vlog. Yeah, so we are actually about to get on the road to go to Nashville. Y'all, this is a story for another day, but I've been literally waiting like all day on this car situation. We finally got it figured out and we're about to get on the road, but I just want to start the vlog and do my little intro. I never say this, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. A lot of y'all ain't subscribed. A lot of y'all don't be liking the videos, so I need you to jump on it. It's free. It only takes a second, so I need you to just go ahead and do that for the birthday girl. Say do it.
Do it.
Do it for my mommy.
Do it for my mommy.
Do it for the vine.
Do it for the mine.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe because y'all don't want to miss my videos. I'm very consistent. Y'all gonna love it here. So yeah, just make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, this is gonna be our travel day. I wanted to get there super early so that I could sightsee. We could go get something to eat, then check in the room. But looks like we're not gonna get into the place until it's check-in time. So we're gonna check into the room and then we're gonna find something to do. So yeah, I guess we will see you guys when we get on the road. What you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna see you guys when we get on the road.
Peace.
Hey babies.
Sweet in the country, I am a river. I'm the world's greatest.
Hey y'all, I am so early. But I just came. Hi. No ma'am. Thank you. I just came to get some wine because we left kind of late and I don't know what we're gonna do today, but I know I'm gonna get some wine, so I'm trying to see what I want. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. I gotta have time to look. I guess I'll tell y'all what I get when I leave out. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oops, that back.
You coming right time that I didn't know that.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. 50 minutes.
Why do I have wine glasses already on standby? Yeah. I'm about to just pour this in here. Oh, I should have taken it out of this thing before I did this. Hold on. Oh, I don't want to come out. Oh my god, epic fail. Epic freaking fail. Hold on. BRB. Okay, y'all, I had to push these 3 things in to release the glass. Insane. But cheers. Hey guys, so I'm just making it to my room. I'm not tired, because I'm ready to like go out, but I look all tired and sweaty. My face is just really moisturized. I made sure I did my skincare and moisturized my skin. So this is why I look oily. I'm not oily, maybe just a little bit, but I'm very moisturized and I feel good. But I'm still going to throw on some clothes, get out of these clothes. These were my road trip clothes, okay? But now I'm going to put on my first day clothes. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of the room. Cute little room, not doing too much. And yeah. Okay, so this is the door. It looked like it was broke before, but there's neither here nor there. This is the bathroom. Cute little bathroom. This is me. Hey guys. This is my outfit. This is my road trip outfit. Bathroom. Then you come out here. 2 beds. TV. I got the mirror right here in the middle. And so in the middle they have the sink. Hey boo. They have the sink, microwave, coffee maker. They have a refrigerator and storage at the bottom. So yeah, y'all want to see my view? It is trash, baby. Why am I looking at a Penske truck? Baby, why am I looking at this work truck and some trailers back here? Like, what y'all got in them trailers? What do y'all have in there?
Sit right here.
Yeah. View is trash, but I like the room.
Right here.
I like the room. It's cute.
Why do you want to sleep at the window?
It's cute.
Mom, Grandma had a show.
But oh my god. But we're just about to change our clothes and see what we're about to get into. So I'm going to talk to you guys once I get ready. Hey guys. Probably look like a ghost right now, but I'm just doing a light beat. So I'm just doing concealer and blush. We're just gonna like keep it chill tonight. We're gonna go downtown Nashville, see what they got, maybe get some food, and that's about it until tomorrow. Tomorrow is our full day, so I guess we're just gonna keep it chill tonight since we got here later than expected. When we got here, their pool was dirty, and I'm like, are y'all cleaning out y'all pool? And she was like, it may be too late to clean it out tonight or today. It's not nighttime. It's not, you know, I already showed y'all it's not nighttime. And she was like, they're gonna clean it out in the morning. And I'm like, are y'all sure? And she assured me that they were gonna clean it out in the morning. But now, they're cleaning it out now. But anyway, I'm just about to do this quick little beat and put on something different. I'm just gonna wear sandals tonight. I'm really trying to get on and stay on TikTok, like make sure I do my content, make sure I don't forget about my content. So I'm trying to do a lot of content. I did 2 TikToks on the way here, so yeah, I'm probably gonna do another one before I leave, and then like do another one when we're out. I'm trying to do like 3 TikToks a day. Don't hold me to it, but I'm trying to. And I'm trying to, you know, just get my content up. What, baby? I'm trying to get my content up. I'm trying to be a content girly, and I'm trying to stick to it.
Can I do your makeup? I know how to do your makeup.
But not right now.
Can I do my makeup?
Yeah. What you trying to do to it? Lipstick?
Yeah. No.
That's the only thing. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys once I'm dressed and we're about to go. Okay guys, this is my outfit. Cute little quick dress.
Hey guys, this her outfit. Cute little dress.
That's
Little
definitely a
short.
two-piece. Definitely a
then-
two-piece.
And then this what I got on. Pick me
She
up.
really kept on the same thing. She didn't want to change her clothes.
Yes, I did.
You said you didn't. You were Jeremiah. But anyway, we're just about to go downtown. This dress is from my brand. Light Beat. Kept on the same earrings. I was gonna change it, but I don't even feel like it. But that's how the dress look in the back.
Oh, I seen that one. That one.
You like? Alright. See you guys in a minute.
Mama, I'm waving to them. Tell the vlog we sit in the back. Can I get the camera? Huh? Hey guys, I'm in the back. I'm in the back, guys. I'm all the way in the back. No. You seen that? Yeah, I'm all the way in the back. You see that? I'm all the way in the back. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Okay, this lame-o. This lame-o doing stuff, so bye. Let me get the stuff back to my mom. Huh, Mom? Huh?
Okay.
Hit the carpet.
Ooh, Cybertruck.
CARI.
Ready to witness the greatness.
What'd you say, Jeremiah?
Look at them heads.
Bunch of knuckleheads. Y'all, the two knuckleheads right here.
No.
Fighting over balloons.
He a brat.
No, you're the brat, honey.
He a
He's
brat.
not a brat. You're the brat. He be telling you to chill, baby, because you be on 10. You be screaming
He
and
on
stuff.
10
He
every
be like,
single day.
chill, mama.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all look so cute. Y'all,
Baby, you so cute.
it be so crazy with cameras because you just never know when it's in slow motion.
What?
I be having some great, amazing moments and my camera be on slow-mo. How? But anyway, I'm not gonna dwell on it. We're about to have a ball, okay, in Nashville. Oh my God, look at the freak. Oh my God. But yeah, we're driving around trying to find free parking because, baby, why is the 1 hour $11 and the 2 hours
Stop.
$40? The math is not mathing. I'm gonna say it again. The math is not mathing, honey, because it was on slow-mo and y'all didn't hear me. The math is not mathing. Make it make sense. So we going around trying to find better parking, cause this is ridiculous. What's going on, Nashville? Like, get it together, honey.
He hit me in my this
Baby, I
eye.
should have took this muscle shirt off you, cause baby,
Hey, stop hitting me.
y'all ain't been able to hear the vibes because of my stupid camera. I'm not gonna call it stupid. I love you, baby. You've been giving me great quality for my channel, but
Stop.
the slow-mo,
That go.
the slow-mo is really killing my vibe. Okay. What about 2 hours? Stop it, baby. They out here in their cowgirl and cowboy attire, and I feel left out. I want to go get me some because they out here looking cute. They are here looking so cute. Everybody on the street look like they dressed in the vibes, and I want to be a part of the vibes, you know. So, you know, gotta bring the vibes. You want to be a cowgirl? You want to be a cowgirl? Ow! Ow! It's so nice out here that it's like literally insane.
I got some acorns. Little baby acorns.
I don't think there's acorns.
What is it?
Maybe.
It's duck doo-doo.
It's so beautiful out here. I just cannot believe this place is just 3 hours away from my home. Like, why am I not living here? Why? Get on the inside of me, baby. Oh, it's so beautiful.
We just gonna go in
Just
there.
gotta have her balloon. Kari, you can turn up. You can turn up, but
Hold on, hold
just
my
gotta be on the
balloon.
inside.
Hold my balloon. Hold on.
yay, mama!
For real.
We about to have a lit night, okay? We about what? You cramping my style, baby?
Ma, I want to go in that big tree where we go. Like,
Whatever you want, whatever you want. We about to have a lit night, okay? It's day 1 in Nashville. You see it, you see it. You see the vibes, you see the vibes, okay? We about to have a lit night. My baby is dragging me off because she's so impatient like me. But yeah, we about to turn up.
I'm like, you got it on right now. I want to go in there.
What thing? Where the hockey scene play. So cool. I want to go to a hockey game. Sir, can we get into a hockey game? Give us some tickets.
Her name's Renee. She's been playing here since 1995. She's Nashville's original fiddle player. How about some rock music?
Cari, no.
This one.
Mm-mm.
I don't even know what it is.
You're not in here for that?
Do it baby food.
Okay, y'all, now we in Walmart. Okay, what aisle I'm going on? Okay.
Baby aisle. I need a baby aisle because
Yeah.
he needs...
What is it?
Right there.
Down there?
Yeah.
What's up, Cari?
Hey. Ooh, I want a baby stuff.
Oh, I left it in the car.
Huh?
I left it in the car. Hey guys, just getting back to the hotel. It's so loud in here, so disregard that. But just getting back to the hotel. I took a shower, did my skincare. I am so tired. Look at her babies in the bed. I am so tired. I am like so sleepy. I just cannot wait to go to sleep. So yeah, that ends night one. I'm about to rest up because we have a long day ahead of us tomorrow. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Chat later. Good night.
Coughing up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hey guys, before my camera like rudely interrupted me, this is my outfit of the day. This is literally a dress, but I made it into a top. It's supposed to be full back out, but I kind of like made it to where my back didn't show as much. With this cute long flowy skirt. Love this. Just wearing some sandals. I'm just gonna wear this bag and I'm gonna wear it crossbody because I don't really feel like holding it. So yeah, this is the look. If my camera is kind of crooked, please disregard this part because my tripod is crazy. You guys say happy birthday to the birthday girl. Isn't it so cute? Let's see your shoes. Okay, girl. How old are you?
8.
Well, her birthday is actually Monday, y'all. So, y'all make sure y'all tell her happy birthday because that's when y'all gonna see his vlog. Say happy birthday, CARI. We about to go have fun. So, let's go. This song is so funny.
Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing.
While I'm jellyfishing.
Mess around and
While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing.
next day, got my jams, got my keys on my fabric. I make them disappear.
Oh.
But this is not a hat trick. This is not magic. This is psychiatric. Move so elastic.
Look at all the kids going in, y'all.
You might know it.
All they do is argue and fight. Well, they love each other so much.
Hey, don't backshot me.
Kids. Gotta love
Want
them.
some of it too?
No!
Yeah.
Come over here. Kids.
Don't.
Love them.
There's a plasma bar.
You didn't want no help.
Not the TikTok. Not the TikTok. Blogger. $5 for that. Footy. $5. Beat? For real. Come on, we're gonna come back through here. Gotta swirl out. Gotta swirl out. Alright.
Look at this. It looks like a tunnel.
Let me hold this.
Looking.
It's not a slide.
It looks like a tunnel, don't it?
Olivia Rowe. Yeah.
It looks like a tunnel. In a tunnel.
think you can get up there, man.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, this place is so cool. This place is so cool. I love it here. And I'm so glad the kids are having so much fun. What, baby?
Oh, bitch, wanna go in there right there?
Me go in there?
Yeah.
I go in there. Just because you asked. They having so much fun, y'all. And then when we leave here, we're gonna go to the water park. So I can't wait for that. But we do need some swim caps because I'm not getting my hair wet. And I'm not finna be doing my baby hair again. So we're gonna have to get some swim caps. But yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna record more in here. So if I don't record more in here, I'm gonna see you guys when we leave. Hey y'all, so we're literally riding around trying to find a restaurant that we can walk in. Either the wait is like 3 hours. We were trying to go to Nashville Shores first. This was our plans for today. It started raining so hard and we were kind of late, so I was like, and we were gonna get there at like, we got there at like 4:30. It closes at 7. So it started raining. I was like, okay, we're kind of late and they close at 7. So we may as well just try to go tomorrow. So okay, let's go to Top Golf. Let's go to Top Golf. Top Golf, their wait time was 3 hours. Starving. I'm starving. Still raining. Okay, we got back downtown trying to find a restaurant. Called another restaurant. They wait time is like 2 hours. The restaurant that I really wanted to go to, they had to wait. So calling other places, wait time. So I'm trying to figure out if we're gonna go bowling and eat there or try to find a restaurant then try to do something after, because I don't know if bowling has a wait time either. Places like that have wait times and I'm literally starving. I have not really ate nothing all day and I don't know why, just because we were at the hotel for a while because of I decorated for CARI and stuff like that. Didn't have time to go down for breakfast. And also when we left like around 1 and we went straight to the science place, and I was like, okay, I can wait a little bit longer and they probably have food at Nashville Shores, but we didn't go to Nashville Shores. So I was like, okay, I have to eat. It's 5:45 now and they ate but I haven't. So yeah, I have to go eat like right now ASAP. But yeah, that's my little update. I'll let you guys know if we find a place or not, or we have to leave downtown. So yeah, keep you guys updated because I need some food.
I woke up, then she done right there.
What is she doing?
Hey.
But alright, y'all. Finally about to go eat. I'm so excited because I'm starving. Alright. Jeremiah, open door. Alright. Thank you, baby.
I told you, Mama. Mom, this looks like a witch hut. Which one?
Yeah. We gotta take down all the stuff. We gotta take down all this stuff. I just got the shower. I haven't washed my face yet though. But we just got the shower. Carl, you got on one sock. Here, go other sock. Just got the shower, feeling good. I'm just gonna wash my face. Do a little bit of skincare, not too much. And yeah, not too much. We got leftover food because none of us ate our food. All our food. So
You want to take down these?
yeah.
You got the popcorn though? Sit on there. Little homie.
These both in my blog. I am so mad, y'all. Her whole surprise party thing of me setting up was in slow-mo. I am so tired of my camera going in slow-mo for no reason. I don't touch no buttons. It feel like it just do it when it wants to. And it be so frustrating because the best footage, I promise, some of the best footage is when it's on slow-mo. Stop it. Some of the best footage is when it's on slow-mo. And I don't be understanding. And I try my best to always, like when I record, I go look at it real quick to make sure it's not in slow-mo. To make sure if I need to re-record. And a lot of times I do have to re-record. It's like it always be on slow-mo most of the time when I'm out of town. But when I'm at home, you know, chilling, it be good. But anyway, this is our last night here. And honestly, I'm not even in the mood to do the waterfall tomorrow. We couldn't do what we wanted to do today, so we have to push it to tomorrow. And it's like, there's no point in doing the waterfall and going like 2 hours. Cari, don't do that. Do you hear me? Get down. It's no point in going 2 hours away. I'm ready to go home. Honestly. Nashville is amazing though. Enjoying it. Enjoyed it. We'll come back very, very soon. But yeah, no waterfall. We're just gonna go to Nashville Shores and call it a day. So yeah. And that's about it, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. shirt.
What are you talking about?
Hey.
Hey.
Last day in the Ville. How you feel?
Good.
Good.
I just want to get in the pool.
Yeah, your eyes still red from last night getting in the pool. Yeah, we about to go to the water park.
But what is he doing? He gonna take a shower?
I took a shower last night.
Time for me to get myself into trouble, okay?
You make sure you get out of the chlorine first.
Please go find your rings
Hey.
and your mushroom land. Hopefully, I'm gonna wake up in a hospital bed.
Okay.
And the doctor's
We
gonna
about
tell
to
me
get dressed, you guys.
What are you doing, Mom?
I have no idea.
What
Time.
That's how Kari get in the water.
She got her.
Where you at right now? Let me.
I threw the party of the century. The people came and it was all. How about they looking at me? Rekindle a flame, light my fire again. Why you going this way? Right now, I gotta get what's wrong. For me? Thank you.
They look like.
Beautiful. I never had sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Thank you.
Rari.
Say for oh, it's blurry. Hey guys, we just got to Nashville Shores, about to have a ball. I'm not gonna take my camera because it's no point. I'm gonna have fun. I'm trying to take as less stuff as possible. Somebody just cashed at me. But I'm trying to take as less stuff as possible, so I'm not gonna take my camera and stuff. I'm just gonna take my phone. And yeah. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we leave Nashville Shores. Have fun. This is my swimsuit. And yeah, see you guys later.
Damn, already?
I was too tall. We got me and John Mike got on the big stuff. I said, dang, like a little one. Exactly. Why I can't go on a little kid slide?
Go down again. Kari, go do it again. Kari. Kari, go again.
The beach gonna be there.
Come on, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Come on.
Vamos a seguir entonces con esta cumbia. ¿Quién dijo Nacho?
Hey guys, as you can see, I am back at home, and I've been at home a couple of days now, but y'all, I've been so tired. I've been trying to rest up, so I've mainly just been in the bed. I've been trying to edit and get this vlog up, so the vlog is finally going up. But I just wanted to like do a rehash of the trip. The trip was really good. It was fun. We were active. I didn't get to do every single thing I wanted to do, but that's okay because we did quite a few things in the 2 days that we had. The only thing I didn't do that I really wanted to do was the waterfall, but it'll be okay because we're gonna go back sometime soon. So the last time I seen you guys, or you guys seen me, is when we went to the water park. The water park was really fun. The water was warm. The lines didn't take that long, because they were long, but they didn't take that long to move, you know, move you to the front. So that was a plus. But we got there around like 4:35, 4:45, somewhere around that area, and it was like raining. It was raining every day. since we got there. It was like raining off and on like Florida. And so when we got to the water park, we stayed there maybe until 6, until they told us we had to like get out of the water because it was going to be a thunderstorm. It wasn't even raining at the time that they told us. Maybe that's what they heard on the news, or, you know, just taking precautions for our safety. Very understandable, but at the same time, I just paid over $100 to get in here, and we only stayed a little over an hour. That was unacceptable to me. So I end up having to go to the front and, you know, kind of like voice my concern. So when I voiced my concern, they assured me that I'll be able to get a refund, and then someone called back on the radio stating that they don't give out refunds, which is very confusing because you told me that you will give me a refund, and then supervisor called back and said they couldn't do the refund. So I was like, no, I'm not taking that. I'm not leaving here with that. That's not how it's gonna go. You know, in a very nice way, very nice and calm, because I knew that something would be done about it. So I asked to speak to the supervisor, and she told the person that she will be coming up to the front. But before she could come up to the front, another man had called on the radio and was telling him, the person that was speaking to me, that instead of doing the refund, they can give me, you know, tickets to come back. Even though I would have rather had the refund, it was okay as well, because, you know, I would love to come back, even though I would, you know, have to take that trip back to Nashville just to go. It was okay because, you know, I really, really like Nashville. It's not like I don't like the city. I would love to go back to Nashville. And it's not very far. I can see if it was in Florida or something like that, and y'all just gave me some tickets and I got to come all the way back. That's a plane ride. You know, that's different. So I was like, okay, that's fine. You know, as long as they corrected the issue. So yeah, we're going to go back to Nashville Shore soon. It's valid until I think September. It's valid, I think, until September. So we are trying to go back before it's not valid anymore. You know, just so that, you know, I feel like it wasn't a waste of time and money, you know. But anyway, all in all, it was great. I got to do my content. I got to do my TikToks. I am so happy about that. I got some good content in Nashville. Also, the restaurant that we went to, 10 out of 10. The service was immaculate. The food was amazing. I got the lobster rolls, and I had a lobster roll in Miami. Y'all didn't get to see that part. I didn't film it. I don't know why. But my friend that I was with, he ended up getting the lobster roll, but he didn't like it, so he gave it to me, and it was good. But the lobster roll in Nashville, 10 out of 10. That was truly chef's kiss. Like, I could have went back there and hugged him. How he put his foot in that meal. It was so good. And then it was 4 of them, right, along with fries, and I had a Caesar salad. So I didn't end up finishing my food. So the next day I ate it, and it was like kind of like cold, but not that cold. It was like room temperature. You know what I'm talking about. And it was still amazing. They served it hot. It was really hot. But the room temperature, 10 out of 10. So I would definitely recommend going to Nashville. I had a great time. And yeah, I just wanted to like do a recap of the trip. Kari had an enjoyable time. She really, really enjoyed herself. My brother, he's very, very soft-spoken and very laid back, but he had a great time. And yeah, so that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. like I said, you're gonna love it here. Trying to be as consistent as possible. I have a couple more videos in the vault, so just be ready for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.